Hey guys, most welcome in my YouTube channel. My name is Akshat. This only marathon clear your all doubts about chemical reaction and equation chapter. So first you guys ensure that you can follow my Instagram account. I have only 852 followers in my Instagram account.
We won't tell chemistry was not a careless subject. Chemistry was just moderate subject. Without wasting any further time, let's start our this video. Start from chemical reaction. There are various types of chemical reaction present in class 10 syllabus. First is combination reaction. Second is displacement reaction. Third is decomposition reaction. Fourth is double displacement. We start with combination reaction. So proper definition for combination reaction: when two or more than two substances combine and form a single substance, that is called combination reaction. For example, calcium oxide react with H²O and form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is formed with evolution of heat and hissing sound. That's why it was exothermic reaction also. We see proper definition for decomposition reaction. Reaction when a single compound break into or more than two substances, that is called decomposition reaction. For example, when we heat calcium carbonate, it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It was a endothermic reaction also. Now we see displacement reaction. A more reactive element displaces less reactive element. This process is called displacement reaction. We see double displacement reaction. Those reaction in which two compounds react and exchange of ion to form two new compounds are called double displacement reaction. So that these topics are really easy and this link. The way in this video we see NCERT all significant topics. Now we see oxidation and reduction. Oxidation add oxygen and form copper oxide. We see reduction adding of hydrogen, removal of oxygen or both. For example, copper oxide break in copper and oxygen. We see redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction both are take place at the same time, that is called redox reaction. We see oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent helping other element for gaining oxygen. Reducing agent gain oxygen and reduce other elements. Definition not act like their name, they are totally different. They are not so confusing. We see some example for this topic. Copper oxide plus H²O given copper and H²O, which is water. This equation, copper oxide is oxidizing agent and H²O is reducing agent. We balance some chemical equation. You maybe think that why we balance chemical equation? Because if LHS and RHS are not equal, so they violate law of conservation of mass. Our first NCERT significant question is: barium chloride react with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and precipitate of barium sulfate. Thing is not so tough, and precipitate means insoluble substance in aqueous solution. Potassium metal react with water to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Your equation LHS and RHS are equal, so your chemical equation was balanced. We see 1.1 activity from NCERT book. To the NCERT publication. This activity needs teacher assistance. It could be better if a student wears suitable eyeglasses. We see important question answer for this exercise. These should be magnesium ribbon we clean before burning in air. Example is, before using magnesium ribbon we clean it because magnesium is such a reactive metal, so it will already react with oxygen or carbon dioxide. Form magnesium oxide layer. We remove magnesium oxide layer with sandpaper. It was exothermic reaction, that why we wear suitable eyeglasses. It's burned with dazzling white flame. As powder is magnesium oxide. Tell is skeleton equation meaning. It's mean unbalanced equation. Sometimes this question asks in MCQ. At this point we are capable to see exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means exit of heat after the reaction. Furthermore, endothermic reaction, a type of reaction when give energy in form of heat, electricity, alright, that is called endothermic reaction. In addition to decomposition reaction was always a endothermic reaction. There are three types of decomposition reaction. First is photolytic, second is thermolytic, third is electrolysis. Photolytic decomposition we give energy in form of sunlight. Chemistry is also a prosperous subject and it was my favorite subject. See this crucial question. Question is to find a paper covered with white substance in chemistry lab. She keeps the paper near the window of the lab and come back to pick it after 5 hours to take it home. She noticed that white substance had turned into grey. Now we see important question who derived from this paragraph. What could be the most likely substance the paper had Tina found? That is AgCl, which is silver chloride. Rate of one application this property have substance used in daily life, that is black and white photography. This chemical equation is example of photolytic decomposition. Photolytic was a decomposition when we give energy in form of heat. When we give energy in form of electricity, that is called electrolytic decomposition. We see last topic, which is corrosion. When a metal come in contact of oxygen, hydrogen or moisture, so this process is called corrosion. The conversion of metal into their oxide, that is called corrosion. Roasting of iron is best example for corrosion. Tell making our tea was also a chemical reaction, but why tell in comments. And say sorry for deafening background voice. See my some family members and some relatives talking in very deafening voice. That voice. They create a great difficulty making this video, but sorry for that.